Connecting Dreamweaver to your local root folder, a tutorial in the Web We Weave series. Greetings all, are you ready to start working in Dreamweaver? Awesome, let's get started. First, we want to make sure that we're set up correctly. On our desktop, you should have your Web 140 root folder, and you should have your Web 140 data folder, and this folder contains the lesson folders for the textbook. Your Web 140 root folder will contain your completed work that you've uploaded to the server, and it should mirror the remote server with the exception of work in progress that you'll have on your local site. So you want to keep the lessons that you have not begun working on yet in your Web 140 data folder. Okay, we've opened Dreamweaver, and the first thing we're going to do is click on Site, New Site. Now, if you're working in a classroom, you'll need to do this every time you begin working. If you're working on your own laptop or desktop, you'll do it once. But I suggest that you do it, even if you don't need to, every so often, just for practice. That way, if down the line you have a situation where you have to set it up on another computer or you have an issue, hopefully you won't have forgotten how to do it. So it's a good idea to do it enough, the process becomes second nature. When we click Site New Site, the site setup for the at this time unnamed site comes up. The site name in the future will be up to you. Generally, you'll give it the same name as whatever the name of the site you're working on is. For this course, everyone's site name will be Web 140, all caps, no spaces. Okay, for the local site folder, we're going to click on the little folder icon, and then we're going to go to the desktop and locate our Web 140 root folder. We're going to choose that, and remember, your local site folder should never be any deeper than Web 140. This is contrary to what the textbook says because they treat each chapter as a different site. Because of the structure that we have in this course, Web 140 we consider your site. All of the lessons, each individual lesson, will be a folder inside your site. So, local site folder, never any deeper than Web 140. Avoid mucho problems. Now, if we were just going to work locally, we could click Save Now, and we've connected Dreamweaver to our local root folder, so we could begin working. In the next part of our video tutorial series, we'll connect to the server. For right now, let's click Save, and now you'll see that we're connected to our Web 140 local root folder. I hope that you found this connecting to the local root folder in Dreamweaver video helpful, and I look forward to expanding your horizons in the future with additional videos. Have a great day.